In the last few months, I've seen incredible success with my Faceless YouTube channel, generating over $15,000 from simple motivational videos. Starting just a few months ago, one of my videos hit 1 million views, showcasing the power of automated content creation. In this video, I'm excited to share my step-by-step guide on how you can start your own automated YouTube channel using AI without needing to hire a team. Finding the right idea and crafting a compelling script is foundational to creating successful YouTube content. When starting a new video, I begin by researching trending topics and proven concepts that have resonated well with audiences on YouTube. For instance, I often look at videos that have gone viral in similar niches to gather inspiration. In this guide, I'll use the example of 7 things you should do every morning, a topic that has demonstrated high viewer interest and engagement based on its previous success. Once I have my idea solidified, I turn to tools like ChatGPT to streamline the script writing process. These tools allow me to input a detailed prompt based on my chosen topic and receive a well-crafted script that captures the essence of what I want to communicate. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that the content is structured and engaging, meeting the expectations of my audience. By leveraging AI for script generation, I can focus more on refining the narrative and ensuring the video delivers valuable insights or entertainment to viewers. Creating a script with AI involves setting parameters that align with the style and tone I want for my channel. Whether it's imparting wisdom in a stoic manner or delivering practical advice with a motivational twist, AI tools like ChatGPT adapt to my preferences, generating text that feels authentic and engaging. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire video production process, guiding everything from voiceover creation to visual content development. By starting with a strong idea and a well-crafted script, I lay the groundwork for producing compelling content that resonates with my audience and drives engagement on my Faceless YouTube channel. Before I reveal the best AI voice that can make your videos go viral, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos like these. Voice generation is a pivotal part of creating a Faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. Instead of hiring expensive voiceover artists, I rely on 11 Labs, an AI text-to-speech tool that offers a range of voices suited to different content styles. For my videos, I prefer using the Marcus voice, known for its authoritative and deep tone, which aligns perfectly with the stoic and motivational themes I often explore. The process is straightforward. After signing up and exploring the voice library, I select the Marcus voice and I input my script generated earlier. 11 Labs breaks down the script into manageable snippets and generates a high-quality voiceover that enhances the professionalism of my videos. This approach not only saves considerable time and money, but also ensures consistency in my voice across all my content. By leveraging AI for voice generation, I maintain flexibility in content creation without compromising on quality. The Marcus voice adds a distinctive and engaging element to my videos, helping me to captivate and retain viewer interest effectively. This step in the process not only enhances the production value of my channel, but also underscores the efficiency and innovation that AI brings to content creation in the digital age. By the way, a link to the AI tools I'm using will be mentioned in the video description, so check them out after watching the video. Creating visually appealing content is essential for engaging viewers on my AI-driven YouTube channel. To streamline this process, I utilize Midjourney, a tool that simplifies the creation of thematic images. By inputting a specific prompt tailored to my video style, often influenced by stoic themes or motivational content, I generate cohesive visuals that complement the script and voiceover. Midjourney's ability to produce multiple images in a consistent style is invaluable. It allows me to maintain a professional aesthetic across all my videos without investing excessive time or resources. Once generated, I organize these images into a dedicated folder alongside other video assets, ensuring they're readily accessible during the editing phase. While Midjourney is my preferred tool, alternatives like CRPT or Adobe Firefly can also serve well for creating visuals if preferred. Regardless of the software used, the goal remains the same: to enhance viewer engagement through visually compelling content that aligns seamlessly with the narrative and messaging of my YouTube channel. This approach not only enhances the overall production quality, but also reinforces the thematic coherence that defines the content on my Faceless YouTube channel. Video editing is a crucial step in crafting compelling content for my AI-powered YouTube channel, and I rely on Magisto AI for its intuitive interface and powerful automation capabilities. Here's a detailed walkthrough of how I edit my videos using Magisto AI. First, I log into my Magisto AI account and start a new project. I upload the thematic images that I generated earlier using Midjourney, ensuring they're organized and ready for assembly. Magisto AI automatically analyzes the uploaded images and suggests the storyboard layout based on the provided content. This saves me time in arranging visuals and ensures a coherent flow throughout the video. Next, I customize the style and theme of the video using Magisto's AI-driven editing features. I select a template that complements the stoic or motivational theme of my content, adjusting colors and transitions to enhance visual appeal. Once the template is applied, I upload the AI-generated voiceover that I obtained earlier from 11 Labs. Magisto AI allows me to seamlessly integrate the voiceover into the timeline, adjusting its placement to synchronize perfectly with the visuals. To enhance the cinematic feel of the video, I utilize Magisto's built-in editing tools to add effects like subtle zooms and transitions between images. These enhancements maintain viewer engagement and reinforce the thematic elements of my channel's content. After fine-tuning the visual and auditory components, I select royalty-free music from Magisto's library or upload my own audio track. I adjust the volume levels to ensure the voiceover remains clear and prominent, while the background music complements the mood and tone of the video. Finally, I preview the edited video to ensure everything flows smoothly and delivers the intended message effectively. Magisto AI's automation and AI-driven editing tools streamline the entire process, allowing me to create polished, professional quality videos that resonate with my audience. I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below. Adding the voiceover and music is where I bring my AI-powered YouTube videos to life. Currently, I'm using Magisto AI for its seamless integration capabilities. Now here's how I'm doing it step by step. First, I've already uploaded the AI-generated voiceover from 11 Labs into my Magisto project. Magisto AI automatically analyzes the voiceover and suggests optimal placement within the timeline. I'm adjusting the voiceover segments to align perfectly with the visuals, ensuring a smooth and engaging narration throughout the video. Simultaneously, I'm exploring Magisto's extensive music library to find the perfect soundtrack that complements the theme levels to achieve a balanced audio mix. The voiceover remains clear and authoritative, guiding viewers through the narrative, while the background music adds depth and enhances viewer engagement. Throughout this process, I'm continuously previewing the video to ensure that the voiceover and music work harmoniously together, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Adding subtitles is crucial for ensuring accessibility and engagement on my AI-powered YouTube channel, and I'm currently using CapCut for its accurate and efficient subtitle generation. Here's how I'm doing it step by step. Firstly, I've uploaded my video file to CapCut's platform. CapCut automatically analyzes the audio track and generates initial subtitles based on the spoken content. I'm reviewing these auto-generated subtitles to ensure accuracy and making any necessary corrections for grammar and punctuation. Next, I'm customizing the appearance of the subtitles to enhance readability and match the aesthetic of my video. I'm adjusting the font style to a serif typeface, which adds a classical and sophisticated touch that complements the stoic or motivational themes of my content. I'm also tweaking the opacity and adding a subtle black shadow effect to make the subtitle stand out without distracting from the visuals. As I continue to refine the subtitles, I'm positioning them strategically on the screen to coincide with relevant dialogue or narration. This ensures that viewers can follow along easily, whether they're watching with sound or in a noisy environment where audio might be less clear. Throughout the process, I'm continuously previewing the video to ensure that the subtitles synchronize accurately with the spoken words and align perfectly with the visual elements. CapCut's user-friendly interface allows me to make real-time adjustments, ensuring that the final subtitles enhance viewer engagement and accessibility. Congratulations! You've now created your first faceless YouTube video. All you got to do is hit export and upload this video to YouTube and let the algorithm do its magic. Now, I want to talk about monetization and exploring diverse revenue streams that are pivotal steps in turning your faceless YouTube channel into a sustainable business venture. Begin by enabling monetization features such as YouTube ads, which allow you to earn revenue based on ad impressions and viewer engagement with ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, consider integrating affiliate marketing links within your video descriptions or promoting relevant products or services that align with your content niche. AI analytics tools can assist in tracking revenue performance, analyzing viewer demographics, and identifying optimal strategies for maximizing monetization opportunities. Moreover, creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or merchandise related to your channel content provides additional income streams. By diversifying your revenue sources and leveraging AI-driven insights to optimize monetization efforts, you can effectively capitalize on your channel's growing viewership and engagement, paving the way for sustainable financial success on YouTube. Analytics and growth tracking are fundamental to understanding and enhancing the performance of your faceless YouTube channel. AI-powered analytics tools like Social Blade or YouTube Studio offer comprehensive insights into key metrics such as watch time, subscriber growth, and audience demographics, as well as engagement levels. By regularly monitoring these metrics, you can identify trends, assess the effectiveness of your content strategy, and make informed decisions to optimize future uploads. Using AI-driven analytics enables you to conduct A/B testing, evaluating the impact of different thumbnail designs or video titles, and refine your SEO tactics to improve discoverability and viewer retention. Moreover, tracking audience behavior and preferences helps in tailoring your content to better resonate with your target demographic, ultimately fostering channel growth and increasing subscriber loyalty over time. By leveraging AI tools for data-driven decision-making, you can effectively measure performance metrics, identify areas for improvement, and implement strategies that drive sustained growth and success for your YouTube channel. Launching a monetized faceless YouTube channel using AI tools requires strategic planning, creativity, and leveraging technology to optimize content creation and audience engagement. By following these steps and integrating AI tools effectively, I've built a sustainable channel that generates revenue while helping me to remain anonymous, and I can simply focus on content quality. Now, are you ready to start your journey? Well, let AI tools empower your YouTube success today. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Once again, thanks so much for watching,